So as soon as my bow is clear, I'm going to immediately swerve sharply back towards the object to get my stern away from it. And then we're going to repeat that, basically tuning in closer and closer. So I'm going to demo this one for you guys first, just so you can see what it's like.
We are at the beautiful Alum Creek Lake at Alum Creek State Park. This is mandatory training for new natural resource officers and for law enforcement officers who are new to their Marine Patrol unit within their communities. The basic Marine Patrol training course is a course designed to train law enforcement officers how to use their law enforcement training skills in a marine environment off of a patrol vessel. We offer this training 2 to 3 times a year. It is a 40-hour course which starts with a Ohio boating education course home study packet that they have to complete before they even show up to the training course.
Are you able to move the kayak too with you? If you want, you can just try to head over here, this direction.
This training is taught by natural resource officers from all around the state. They're also going to get some instruction on conducting investigations for boat crashes and stolen boats and abandoned boats that may show up on properties in their community.
He's already fallen once, so we're going to guess that he's not the most nimble individual. So the way that you have it right now up against the boat is the best, and you can try and hold on to it, and you're either pushing or pulling up to create stability to counteract his weight and balance when he gets back in.
The boating community is the primary benefactor of this training. They will end up with trained professionals who can enforce the boating rules in their community, on their waterways, respond to boating emergencies, and educate boaters in their area.